Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to publish a directory. So the website name is familydr.com. So how we can do, first you have to open this website, then you have to click for the submit link option. There is then you have to see this interface. Okay, so where you have to prepare a title, URL, description, your name, your email ID, category, and the captcha. Then you have to submit for the continue option. Okay, so now we can go on to prepare now. So this is our type keyword. So title is ready now. I can going to copy a short description from my content. So now I can pick uh, this one or look in the yeah where. So there we have to copy the content. So we have content URL. Okay, so now I can copy my title and I can paste it over there. Then I can copy my website URL. Then you guys have to copy a description. Now we can put our brand name, email ID for the verification purpose. Then you guys have to choose a category. So for the my category we are providing HR services, recruitment, people, organization, others, employment. Then we have to submit for the captcha verification. Then after that we can fill for the continue option. So here it is, you have to see this guys, the our captcha was successfully complete, our directory is successfully submitted now. So okay, now what we can do, we can go now to click for the latest options. So here it is, so you have to see this guys, once you have to submit your link, then after that you have to click for the latest link. Your link will instantly approved now. So now we can go to click for the link details. So this is our backlink. Okay, and now and I can show you that this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So here it is guys, this is 100% do follow backlink. This is and this is a instant approval backlink. Okay, so we have successfully created one directory submission. So if you guys watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, so it's my a little request for you, if you guys haven't subscribed, so please hit the subscribe button. And if you guys have anything concern, anything doubts, anything suggestion for me, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment section. I like to appreciate that. Okay guys, so we can go to end this video. So thanks for watching guys. Bye bye, take care.